Hello everyone, welcome back to our 30 days Python series. And in this video, we are going to cover the dictionaries in Python. So suppose you have a lot of names, okay? Suppose the Harry, Zari. Now, when you use the loop to search any number, like suppose the Zari or Ali, then you need to check every name. Okay, and once you find the name, then you will display. But that thing take a lot of time because once you have the lakhs of data, so that will not work. To make that process faster, we use here dictionaries. So what we'll do here in the dictionaries, we use the key and value thing. So we created a key and we store the value in particular key. So whenever we need to find the data, we just need to call that key only. That will fetch the data. Okay, so let me show you how this will work. So suppose this is a dictionary, dst, and curly brackets start and close, and we need to define here the key is 1, then column, and the value is Harry, then use the comma. So this is the one key where we have a store the Harry. Okay, now let's store another value in the, okay, so we have here 3 name in 3 values. If you want to get the Oliva, okay, so you just need to call the 3 here. So let me just print it. So print di, then just call here dictionary disc, okay, dot get, and we need to call the 3 only here. Once we call 3, so we'll get the Oliva. Okay, let's run this. You can see this is the Oliva. That process will not run the entire loop. That will just directly get that value. If you want to store the multiple names in the particular only one key, you can do this. How we can do this? It's simply, let's suppose create another dictionary, okay, and I'm gonna store here, I'm gonna just call the same loop, okay, but in the second key, I'm gonna store the multiple values. So for that, I need to use here brackets and then just simply use here hello, Ali, hi, etc. 4 word we have used here. Now you need to just use here the dictionary 2. Okay, so whenever you call the dictionary get 2, then you will get the Ali, this one. But when I call dic2 from the another dictionary, what I'll get the whole list, hello, Ali, hi, etc, everything. Okay, that's the concept of dictionaries in Python. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.